Hi everyone! Today we're going to make jelly meat. Now you look at the ingredient list, we have some red snapper, minced beef, fresh rosemary, and some really gorgeous mixed berries. And of course the star ingredients, agar-agar powder at the corner, and we will talk about that later. For some of you guys, if you want to feed your dog and cats raw meats, that you can pretty much just chop up the ingredients and start making the jelly meat. But with myself, I do not believe in city dogs and cats having raw meat. So I'm going to put them in a steamer, slightly cook them in a low temperature, and later I will save up all the meat juice. And use them as meat broth and cook them with the agar-agar powder. If you always have problem feeding your dog medicine or supplements, great news! This one works like magic. Let's try it. We have some agar-agar powder here. I get this one from obviously Sogo, but you can get it anywhere you like. So in one box there are 4 packets that contain 4 grams of agar-agar powder, and each 4 grams that you mix with 500 ml water. Here we have 500 ml of water here boiling. I just put in the agar-agar powder. The reason I choose agar-agar powder is for its magic ingredients. Agar-agar powder is vegan. It's made with some Japanese red seaweed. It contains 80% of iron, which is really good for the dog's skin and bones. And another good thing is agar-agar powder is at room temperature, which you don't need to worry about keeping it cool in the fridge. But keeping in the fridge will keep it extra refreshing though. You can cook agar-agar powder with both water and meat broth. I personally would like to have it in meat broth. It sounds more delicious. Pay attention though, if you're using meat broth, that you may need to add 100 ml more water because meat broth is acidic. And it takes more water to get it set. Here we have some fresh rosemary, and you see the jelly cups here. I'm putting the rosemary leaves in the bottom of jelly cups because when it comes out, the beautiful green is gonna sit on top. And we have some mixed berries, which later I will put them in the end. And we have a beautiful red base, a jelly. When it comes to fresh herbs, that you need to first find out what dogs and cats can eat. And then next, you have to find out what your dogs like, because every dog is different. It is a really good habit to put fresh herbs to your dog's fresh food in order to enhance the healing power of the fresh ingredients. And at last, you might need to pay attention to your dog's health condition. For example, if your dog is pregnant, that you might need to stay away from parsley. When in doubt, always talk to your family vet. I picked rosemary this time for its healing power. As you know, Hong Kong is really humid, and my dogs and my friends' dogs all suffer different level of skin irritation, so rosemary is perfect for that. And please pay attention, only use herbs that are safe for dogs. I can't emphasize it enough. Some other herbs that you might want to look into is maybe oregano. Ta-da! Just put in the red snappers and the minced beef in the jelly cups. Next is we need to put in some mixed berries. For the first 2 cups, I'm going to use the agar-agar solutions that make with clear water. And for the rest, I'm going to use the solutions that prepare with the meat broth that I get from steaming the red snapper and the minced beef. It sounds really delicious already. There are so many other options that you can choose from, for example, pears, apples, blueberries. Fruits in season are the most delicious. And what else? Of course, supplements. You can put it here now, or later when you feed your dog. You can simply just stuck the pills or capsule into the jelly meat. They won't know it. Just kidding, some of them do know. And what can you do about it? Try again. Maybe this is the way to get more jelly meat. When you're done, you can keep the jelly meat in the fridge for up to 5 to 6 days. Look at the juice, so beautiful. It reminds me of liquid ruby, like red ruby, but it's in liquid form. Yeah, you know what I mean, or not. Okay, moving forward, pour in the agar-agar solution. Ta-da! They're all ready, and they're going to set in the room temperature, and later when they cool down and set, that I'll put them in the fridge. Aren't they beautiful? Okay, you might see some oil on the top layer. Do not worry about it. Just use a kitchen towel, you know, the tissue towel, to absorb the oil, and you're good to go. I understand that concern. It's not uncommon to see overweight dog here, especially the ones that are on kibble diets. Means kibble, biscuits, dry feed, canned food. Wow. Not bad, not bad. It looks delicious already. The one made with water is gorgeous. Look at that. Oh. But I'll still pick the meat broth if I were a dog. I have fun doing this. See you soon next week, guys. Thank you for watching. Bye.